Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have the rights, so begin now. Sign into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center as a global or Teams admin. Once signed in, navigate to Teams and Groups, then deleted Teams to view recently removed teams. Make sure the team was deleted within the retention window, by default, 30 days, because soft deleted teams are recoverable only in that period. If you meet prerequisites and see the team listed, select it to prepare for restoration. This starts the recovery workflow immediately. Select the deleted team in the portal and click Restore. Confirm owners and channels in the prompt so permissions rebuild correctly. Once done, make sure to check the connected SharePoint site and channel files. Restoration relinks them but may take minutes. If the portal lacks a restore option, use PowerShell. Connect with Connect Microsoft Teams, then run Restore Team specifying Group ID. PowerShell gives more control for complex deletions and helps reinstate group properties that sometimes lag in the portal. After restoration, verify members, channels, apps, and permissions to ensure everything functions. Test posting and file access. If files or channels are missing, check the SharePoint site recycle bin and Teams channel restoration logs, and consider Microsoft 365 Compliance e-discovery for deeper recovery. If you encounter retention policy conflicts or the team exceeded soft delete limits, escalate to Microsoft support. One troubleshooting tip. If restore fails, confirm the group's Exchange mailbox and Azure AD object exist, then retry the restore team command.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.